Hey YouTubers, today we've got a BMW. It's X3 and it's E83. Now it's got a problem that the AC blows cold from the top vent all the time, sometimes through the middle vents and never through the footwell. So we're going to have a look and see what the issue could be that will cause that. Hope you enjoy the video. Well, sorry about the sound, but so we have AC on for the footwell. Now if we have a look, you can see the temperature climbing. There's warm air being blown from the footwell. Temperature today is about 20 degrees. Anyway, 21 degrees. Now if we put it on to upper vents and centre vents, you can see that it's actually cold air coming out. Now the culprit is generally here. So what I've done for a quick check is I've clamped off the feed for the heater valves, and now we can see if we're going to get cold air from the bottom of it. So I've got it set to footwell. It's not great measuring with this one, but you can certainly see the difference is amazing. Let's shut this off now. So basically what happens with these is that these valves stop sealing, the plungers stop sealing with the rubber seals. So I'm waiting for them to come along, and we'll just go through quickly replacing the valve set and then test it again afterwards. Right, so what I've done here is I've clamped off both heater pipes and the feed pipe. We've got a couple of little multi-plugs to disconnect. Don't remember where we left off, so I'll just run through it again. All three hoses are clamped off. I've taken out this multi-plug, given the valve unit a wiggle up. Now I'm going to try and attack the back multi-plug. Squeeze the tab in and pull, should be the way to go around this. If we can. There we go. So that's that one. So now we've got two hoses on it. Now with them clamped up, we shouldn't lose too much coolant. That's the theory. Find my hose. Guys, I've got some new ones. These are the ones I've used these for years, but well, about time I got some new ones because they don't always do the job very well. So get on a hose clamp, give it a wiggle down. Might as well get on the top hose clamp while we're about it. There, hopefully you can see that. Hay fever is terrible. Can you see that? I hope so. Let's get that out of the way. Now put off the hoses. We're going to lose a little bit, but it shouldn't be that much because we do have them clamped. Oh, a bit tight. There we go. Now, they kind of sit where they want to live. You see that there? So the top one's at the top, bottom one's at the bottom, and you only lose kind of a gobful. Whoops, that's your fending unit. We have another one. Let's just put this in the drain can for a minute. The pollen count must be just through the roof today. Give it a little wipe up. Here's the new one, direct replacement. Now just give these a little squirt up with WD or anything that's going to make it slippery. This helps when it goes back in. So what we do is start with the bottom one first. And then we put the top one in situ, or do I want to put the clamp on first? Let's see. You know what, I think I'll just clamp it. Put a little tongue on first. Retain them. Give me a sec. Come on. You know you want to. There we go. Just make sure that the clips on are nice. Now what we do, get the top one on. Yeah, my boy. Oh, there we go. Squeeze it right up and ping. Bob's your uncle. They're both on there. All my clamps off now. Just have a quick look. Make sure your clips are all on nice and square. I don't really like where that one's sitting, so I'm going to adjust it around a little bit. Not quite square. That looks better. Bottom one looks good. Don't forget your multi-plug. What we do first is We'll get it where it lives. Lovely. Multi-plug on the back. Click. And multi-plug on the front. Click. Now we have got a little bit of coolant. What I'm going to start with, top it up and put the heater vent on the hot. Give it a chance to circulate. Yeah, just a little top up. It's got pink in it. Pink back in it. There's only a gobful there. Let's zoom you out. Did that zoom you in? Let's zoom you out. There we go. Definitely take that. Just get that last one. That's just above the max. Bear in mind we've got to give it a chance to circulate. Get rid of my tools. So what I want to do is get the heater set to full heat just for a couple of seconds, and that way just give it a chance to circulate down the heater matrix. Put the ignition on, turn that fan down, turn off the AC and put it up to full heat. What's full heat on this? I reckon that was the valve working. So 32 degrees is full heat on this. We're just going to let it warm up a bit so we've got hot air coming out the ducts. Then we come back to it. Let's see if we fixed the hot air in the footwell. Sorry about the sound again. We've got a lot of blowing going on. Right, let's have a look at the centre vents. As you can see, we're at 32 blowing out the centre vents. Okay, 41, 42, give it an average. You can see what the temperature in the workshop is. So it's definitely blowing out warmer than what the temperature is. So let's set on centre vents. Let's put it on bottom vents, turn off the centre vents. And we have well, it's going up anyway. Difficult to do with this, but as you can see, at the minute it's blowing out hot air. That looks like a good spot. Now, what we're going to do, we keep it on centre vents, and we're going to whack it right the way down. I believe it goes 16. Hung on the old AC. We measure this on the same spot. I can find it, which was still, be alright. It's definitely coming down. Let's see if I can get it into some kind of flow. Wow, terrible. I must apologise. So I'll keep this kind of still. Coming down. If I go actually into the vent itself, which is just in here, I'm in the vented part itself now. Can't argue with that. So let's put it now on auto. Check the vents at the top. Should get my thermometer really on my old school one. Gives a much better idea. See, that's dropping really quick. So they're all dropping. Go back down underneath now. Try and get in the same vent spot as I was earlier. So I say that's a fix. Well, there you have it. That's why you was getting warm air from the footwells and cold air from some of the vents. It's the last sort of thing. Shouldn't be too hot because it hasn't been running that long, to be fair. Check the coolant level, just on the max. Check for any leakage. Bone dry, or dry as a bone. Both in the same thing, I think. Nice job to repair the AC fault. So that was the change in the heater valves on this little, well, mid-size, it's a BMW X3 2-litre diesel on the E83 variety. Yeah, so it was getting warm air from the footwells, but some of the centre vent, or some of the vents were giving cold, some were warm. Sometimes they'd all be warm. And it was just basically down to the heater valves. After a period of time, they perish internally. Yes, I know you can buy kits. They don't always work though. And for me, buying it this way, I'll get some warranty from my supplier, and my customer always gets warranty from me. So it's a better job all round. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.